Good morning, Primary 2. Our lesson today connect with science. Okay, today is 19th of December 2020. Look and read. Shadow. What makes a shadow? What makes a shadow? Light travels in straight lines. Light can come from the sun. It can come from flashlights. Or light bulb. We have different sources of light. Light can't go through solid objects, solid like chair, table, something solid. Okay, when the light reaches a solid, when it reaches a solid object, we can see a shadow. Okay, so what can you see when the light reaches to solid? We can see a shadow on the opposite side. Where can you see the shadow? On the opposite side of the object. On the opposite side of the object. Okay? Light travels in straight lines, not curly. Straight lines, not curly. Okay? We have light bulb, source of light, solid object, and shadow. Which of these objects doesn't make shadow? Which of these objects doesn't make shadow? The liquid doesn't make shadow. Number 1. Light travels in straight lines. Yes. Light can go through solid objects. Can go through solid? No, it can't go. Light can come from different things. Yes, like the sun, flashlight, light bulb. We see a shadow next to the object? No. We see a shadow opposite, on the opposite side of the object. Okay? No. Now, math and science. Listen, read, and point. Now we have sun. We have Earth. Our planet Earth is green and blue. Green and blue. We have light. Light travels. Okay. The Earth orbits the sun. This means the Earth goes around the sun in circle. It travels around the sun in a circle. This means it travels around the sun in a circle. It takes 365 days. Okay. 365 days to orbit the sun. This means 1 year. This is a year, okay? The Earth also spins on its axis. This takes 24 hours. This means 1 day and 1 night. When it's daytime, we can see the light from the sun. When it's nighttime, we can't see the light from the sun. When it's daytime in Egypt, it's nighttime in New Zealand. Read and circle the correct answer. It takes days for the Earth to travel around the sun. It takes 365 days. 365 days. The Earth sets or spins on its axis. Spins means go in a circle. Okay? 24 hours is 1 day or 2 days? 1 day. 1 night or 2 nights? 1 night. When it's daytime, we can see the light from the sun, or we can't see it. When it's daytime, we can see the light from the sun. Okay? Okay, you read, think, and answer. You can do it as homework. The moon. Listen and read. We have planet Earth, okay? We have the sun, we have the moon. At night time, we can see the moon in the sky. At night time, not day. At night time, We can see the moon in the sky. The moon doesn't make light. The moon doesn't make light, but it reflects the light from the sun. The moon orbits the earth. It takes about 27 days to orbit earth, to travel around earth in a circle. It takes 27 days to orbit it. The moon looks different when it orbits the earth. Sometimes we can see all of it. We can see all of it. Sometimes we can only see small part of it. Look, it's a small part, it's all. We can see all of it, and sometimes we can see a small part of it, okay? We can see the moon in the earth or in the sky. In the sky at night. The moon orbits the earth. Orbits means goes in a circle. It takes 27 minutes or hours or days for the moon to orbit the earth. Days. The moon, light from the sun. The moon, light from the sun, reflects light from the sun. It doesn't have light. Reflects light from the sun. Reflects light from the sun. Let's move to another lesson. The values. How can you find out about the world? How can you find information about the world around you? You can read some books. Like picture number 1. You can read some magazines. You can ask a question to your teacher at school. You can also find out information online. You can find out information online. You can find out information online through the internet. Okay? Thanks, Primary 2, and goodbye.